Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Files. Then you need to install this free app by Google Developer and open it. Following that, choose Continue, then click on Allow and tap on Clean over here. Now you need to select Clean under Junk Files and tap Clean in the pop-up. As you can see after that, storage of my TCL was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!